Zdravo, zdravo, kako se koš, така и овој пат, каде ако него музичката емисија Hard and Heavy, се наоѓаме на северот од Балканот, се наоѓаме на Алпите, се наоѓаме на Metal Days, се наоѓаме на местото за осторството и покрај мене имаме нови соговорници. Станува збор за момчина кои не доаѓаат од Германија, станува збор за еден бенд кој дегува мелодичен death metal или metalcore, станува збор за бендот And That Be The Blood. First, welcome TV show Macedonian Hard and Heavy.
Yeah, thanks. Happy to be here.
Yeah. Danke. My pleasure. And tell me, you have only one album of
Yeah.
nearly. Sorry?
We've got one full-length album, Albertus, with 10 songs that we recorded 2 years ago. Came out last year in June. We've got 2 EPs, right? Oppressor and Fight. Those came out over the course of the last 7 years, and yeah, we've been playing together since 2011, and yeah, 2 EPs, 1 album.
Recording the album.
The recording was mostly done at home, at least the guitars. Chris played them at home. The drums were recorded at Audio Blast Studio. Oh, sorry, Emil. we know pretty good. So, and mixing and mastering was done by now I have to lie, Nicola. I just remember the first name. Do you know the last name? Telestra. Yeah. NDS. Yeah, that's company. Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me, why you pick it the name And That Be The Blood?
It was the idea of his ex-girlfriend.
Yeah.
She said you need a band name named after a Western movie, and there's this film There Will Be Blood, and we thought it would be a great name because it's a good film and the name is strong. And then we checked it out, and there was a band called There Will Be Blood in America, so we put the end before it, and it's done.
It's good name, but very long, but very good.
The worst problem was that the most original title of Western movies are in Italian, and it's quite hard to choose an Italian band name if you're from Germany, so nobody understands it.
Yeah, we don't speak Italian either, so that doesn't.
Tell me, why you take it melodic death metal with the influence metalcore? Where take it the inspiration from music?
I don't know. We all hearing like death metal, melodic death metal now at home, and so there are many different bands that we hear and many influences from other bands. Yeah.
Who like the lyrics in the band?
He's a master of the lyrics.
I'm
Where
doing
take
the
it the inspiration for the lyrics? What thematic and
It's different. Some are out of dreams. So we've got a song called These Numbers Blur, and I studied math, and it was a bad dream where I was in a solution I couldn't equalize, and I wrote the song about it. It's just out of feelings, some inspirations.
Video games, stuff like that. There are more topics, and sometimes funny, sometimes not.
You are here in the first time?
Yes.
Just like I playing for a metal days.
Yeah.
You after this you going another summer festivals?
Oh, I think we'll definitely come back here because it's amazing. I mean, the scenery is great, the people are great bands, everything's great. The crews, the organization, everything works, everything's fine. So yeah, I mean, if we could play again, that would be the best, obviously. But even just as a visitor, I think I'll definitely come again at some point.
Maybe you come the new material. Maybe you write the new songs now. You
Maybe.
have?
At the moment we did the practicing for the shows this year, of course. But we plan to start on work on new stuff. Yeah, what's like we needed some sort of short break after the first record. It was plenty much of work we had to do. Afterwards we were a bit exhausted, and now the inspiration starts flowing again. It's like, okay, we need new stuff. Guys, come on.
Yeah. And who in the plan in the future for the band?
Play as much shows as possible. So this was our first show in a foreign country. Maybe some more come. We earned some contacts here for more shows in foreign countries, and hopefully there will be soon a second album, a full length, and that's our plan.
And for the end, what would you like to say for Macedonian metal fans and people who are watching this interview?
Well, if you're watching and you're a booker, book us. We'd love to play in Macedonia. And even if you're not, check our band site, our Facebook page, download our album. I don't know how much we charge for it, but I'm sure it's cheap. So yeah, just check us out and have fun.
Thank you.